मतलब you are trying to look at the probability distribution of all the possible values that a given statistic, that is NEET PG score. NEET PG score mean value of this sample may be 600, this sample may be 900, this sample may be 800. But it is the NEET PG score that you are looking for. So what are all the probability distribution of this mean values of this given statistic among different samples of the same size? That is called sampling distribution. Simple. एक बार पढ़ लिए तो भूलते नहीं, मगर बट्टी मारे तो कभी भी याद नहीं रहेगा. देखो भाई, एम्स वाले पीजीआई वाले बहुत रिसर्च करते, प्रोफेसर्स बहुत एकदम बिजी रहते. मेरा पेपर न्यू इंग्लैंड जर्नल जा रहा है, मेरा पेपर ब्रिटिश मेडिकल जर्नल जा रहा है. आपका कितना पेपर्स खत्म हो गया? मैं तो यूटीआई इज बिकॉज ऑफ इकोलाई बोल के मैं भी रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ. 100 years back only they researched and found it, but मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. Me too. So very busy later. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, doctor. Very good. Sureka joined the game. देखो बेटा, सुरेखा आपके लिए मैं और एक बार 5th class स्टूडेंट बन के बायोस्टैटिस्टिक्स पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. Actually, maths is my most passionate job, subject. Lot of times people used to ask, तुझे मेडिकल कॉलेज में सीट नहीं आई तो क्या बनेंगे? I used to say, I love to become a physics teacher or a maths teacher. That is the first choice, school teacher. Physics or maths. Unexpectedly, MBBS में सीट आ गया. Huh? Good. So, Sureka, because you asked, I started preparing for you. But good. Now, a researcher has selected all possible samples from a population and plotted the mean. That's what is called sampling distribution. Very good. Now, normal distribution curve is determined by the standard deviation and the mean. Standard deviation and the mean. Even skewness is decided by that. The number of patients required in a clinical trial to treat a specified disease increases as the dropout rate increases. Obviously, no. MD में आप thesis कर रहे. Anjit Bhaumik is saying, sir, please repeat, sir. Please repeat, sir. You mean to say, please repeat about sampling distribution? Is it the same thing that you want to know? Simple, doctor. Very simple. और एक बार Bhaumik के लिए और एक मर्तबे रिपीटेशन करेंगे. Very simple, very simple, very simple. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना डॉक्टर, learners are different learners. There are some learners in the first take only pick up. Another group of learners क्या होता है कि first take में anxiety रहता, ये क्या बोल रहा है, ये क्या बोलने वाला है और क्या बोल रहा है, वो टेंशन में थोड़ा मिस हो जाते हैं हम. Right? So as a teacher my job is 10 times until Bhaumik says I understood. Simple, doctor. What is the definition of sampling distribution? Fundamentally it's a distribution. So you have, let us say, 1,000 people. You divided them into 10 groups of 100 each. 100 group 2, 100 group 3, 100 group 4, 10 groups बने हैं. इसका मीन हीमोग्लोबिन वैल्यू, इसका भी मीन हीमोग्लोबिन वैल्यू, इसका भी मीन हीमोग्लोबिन वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते गए. So here the statistic that you are checking is fundamentally mean hemoglobin. But how is the mean hemoglobin here? It will be a different value of the mean hemoglobin in this 100, right? So the same statistic, different values are happening in different population. So ये पूरा values को अगर आप plot करें तो ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2, ग्रुप 3, ग्रुप 4, ग्रुप 5 का मीन हीमोग्लोबिन वैल्यू को अगर आप प्लॉट करते गए तो उस प्लॉट को कहते हैं सैम्पलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सिंपल. समझ में आ गया? Anjit Jomik, yes. So doctor, next. Obviously the dropout rate ज़्यादा हो गया तो you require more number of patients to complete your clinical trial. Simple, right? Now most of the clinical trials में doctor 30% is the dropout rate in most of the clinical trials. अभी आ गया interesting question. Simple random sampling, where is it ideal? If it is a homogeneous population, it is ideal. अभी बताओ सैम्पलिंग में कितना मेथड्स हैं, आपको कितना मेथड्स मालूम हैं, फटाफट बोलो डॉक्टर. Now first few definitions, let us get clear. There is a theoretical population. In that, there is a segment called study population. पूरा दिल्ली लिया, theoretical population. वसंत विहार में study population. Then, out of those people, only those who are admitted, for example, in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, that is called sampling frame. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital में, Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital में, मेडिसिन वार्ड में, M2 में पेशेंट्स को लिया, वो होता है सैंपल. So study population, sampling frame, sample. Definition बराबर? Right. Now, what is meant by simple random sampling? Right? Shaz is asking, sir, please save this video. अरे क्यों नहीं? मगर we will save it in onlinembbs.com video library. हम नॉन कमर्शियल नहीं है भाई, हम तो पक्का कमर्शियल है, right? We love you to pay subscription fee and enjoy, but at a reasonable price, at a affordable price, with anywhere, any time access. So please take every opportunity. Don't hesitate. We are the cheapest learning resource in the entire world. If the student says, I will pay 1 rupee also, our people will give a subscription activated. Because we believe in number of students taking advantage rather than how much they are paying individually. Right? So please take every chance to subscribe to the onlinembbs.com video library, doctor. Now, simple random sampling. Whenever the population is small, first criteria, homogeneous, readily available, there only you should do simple random sampling. All the subsets of the sample frame are given an equal probability. ये मेरा भाई है, ये मेरा बीवी का भाई है, ये हमारा रिश्तेदार है, वो तो दूर का रिश्तेदार है, ये तो मुझे मालूम ही नहीं उसको, ये दूसरा स्टेट से आ गया, महाराष्ट्र आ गया, कर्नाटका से नहीं आया. There is no bias. Everyone got equal probability. That is simple random sampling. So you will take a random table like a lottery system to determine which units have to be selected. So everyone has got an equal probability, right? सबके साथ सबका विकास, simple random sampling. वाह वाह, गगन कुबेर, you should teach on online MBBS, right? So that's the story. Now, simple random sampling, easy method, no need of prior information about the population, equal and independent chance of selection of every element. But what are the disadvantages? The sampling frame, if the sampling frame is very large, you can't do this lottery. Sampling frame should be small. And it does not represent the proportional representation. इसमें definitely 10 Hindus होना, 10 Muslims होना, 10 Christians होना, 10 Sikhs होना. Proportional representation you are not enforcing in that population. That is the point about simple random sampling, pros and cons.